Hi, I'm Alex Backer with Pepperl+Fuchs Technical Support, and today we will be configuring the UC2000 series sensor with PACTware. The Series I/O and PACTware ultrasonic demo case contains several different sensors. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be focusing on the UC2000 series sensor along with the UC-Prog1 and associated cord sets. The first step in the connection process is obtaining the PACTware software, which is necessary to configure and observe sensor readings. First, navigate to the Pepperl+Fuchs website and select the Products tab. Select Software from the drop-down menu. Click PACTware from the menu, followed by View All Products and Group. Select which version of PACTware you wish to install. In this example, we will be using 4.1. Click on the green Software tab and follow the setup after it downloads. The next step in the connection process is obtaining the DTM files which serve as drivers for the applicable sensor, in this case the UC2000 and UC-Prog1 USB. All DTM files can be found on the Pepperl+Fuchs website. Navigate to the product page for the UC2000. Click on the Software tab. Download and install DTM files by running the setup. All DTM files, PACTware software, and datasheets can also be found on the USB included in the demo case. Repeat the process for the UC-Prog1 USB. The settings to configure the UC-Prog switches are found on the product datasheet available on the product page and on the USB in the demo case. Set output load to pull down, output logic to inverted, and connect to COM. The device catalog shows all available DTM files and can be viewed by clicking the device catalog icon on the toolbar. Upon opening the device catalog, a list of DTM files will be generated, which you can navigate to find connected system components. You can filter the list via the left section of the catalog, which arranges devices by category. Whenever a new DTM file is added, the device catalog must be updated by clicking the Update Device Catalog tab. You are now ready to begin connecting the sensor to PACTware. First, right-click Host PC under Project and select Add Device. Select UC-Prog1 USB from the drop-down menu and click OK. UC-Prog1 USB should now be visible under Host PC. Right-click and select Parameter. Navigate to the Configuration tab and select the appropriate USB connection. Apply the changes and close the window. Right-click UC-Prog1 USB and select Add Device. Navigate the list and select the UC2000 L2 E6 V15. You are now ready to connect and configure the sensor. First, right-click the sensor under the Project tab and select Connect. A pop-up screen will appear. When it does, cycle power. Simply unplugging the power adapter and plugging it back in will work. You are now connected, as shown by the icon at the bottom. If the connection failed, right-click the sensor, disconnect, and repeat the process. PACTware includes a built-in help function which can be accessed at any time by right-clicking the sensor and selecting Additional Functions and then Help. This will open a PDF document with various helpful information about the sensor and configuration. The PDF document can be navigated to view information regarding all parameter fields. You are now ready to configure the sensor properties. To begin, right-click on the sensor under the Project tab and select Parameters. This window will open, allowing you to view sensor data and configure sensor settings. One of the most important properties you can configure is the beam width, which determines the detection zone of the sensor and has three possible settings: wide, medium, and small. The wide setting corresponds to a maximum detection zone. The medium setting corresponds to a reduced detection zone. The small setting provides a narrow detection zone. Another important property that can be configured is the switching mode, which can be found under the Output tab and determines the output mode. This property has four possible settings: switch point, window, hysteresis, and barrier. When set to the switch point mode, the output is activated if an object is detected closer than switch point 1. In window mode, the output is activated if an object is detected between switch point 1 and 2. In hysteresis mode, the output is in pump up, pump down mode. In barrier mode, the sensor functions in a retroreflective mode. Switching type also presents two options, normally open and normally closed. If you require any additional information, you can access the help function, which explains all the modes in detail. The measurement function is used to monitor the sensor readings. The distance tab allows you to view the current detected distance along with the switching states. Distance feedback can also be monitored via the graph under the Trend tab. I hope this video helps you configure your UC2000 series sensor, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Check out our other useful videos, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.